Alright guys, so here we are. This is Sick Cart Part 2. And Part 2 is actually going to be first mods. So we're going to do an intake on the car. We're going to do a whole steering wheel setup. Got an NRG wheel with a hub and a quick release. And then we're going to put some seats in there. So Louis is going to unbox the steering wheel. Hopefully it's the right one. I ordered a flat bottom leather, fake leather. So let's see. Rip it open, bro.
Yeah, you got the flat bottom.
Nice.
This will be nice. Give you some space
nice.
between those knees.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that is nice.
It's a lot nicer than I thought it was.
Oh yeah, me too. It's got a nice flat bottom. Cool. Okay, put that back in the box. We'll try to install that tonight. What's that? That's gonna be the hub.
Yep.
Hub, good. Boom.
Hub solid.
Perfect. Next thing should be the quick release, and then let's open up these seats. And I was told you could modify the stock brackets. I didn't order the brackets yet because some people said you can modify the stock ones and then aftermarket ones don't sit as high. So we're going to try that first. Maybe save a little money on that. What's a quick release look like? Nice. Carbon fiber quick release.
That looks pretty sweet.
Alright. Alright, let's take a look at these seats.
So you haven't seen them yet?
No, I haven't opened the box. Been waiting on you, bro.
I appreciate it.
No. For any girls out there, Louis is not single anymore.
Nope, take it.
He's had a wedding yesterday.
Got it.
Got married yesterday. Alrighty. Let's just pull one out for now because I don't think we're going to install them just yet.
Oh, they're so heavy.
They're heavy?
No, they're so light.
I was going to say, it should be light. Just set it right there in front of us. Let's take a look at it. See if you can figure out how it slides back. Nice. Look at that. That's pretty nice.
Those are actually really nice.
Yeah, they're really nice looking. I really like the way they look. And they're light too, you said, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, so we got the seats unboxed, and they're actually super nice. They are Cypher Auto. Now, I know I watched a lot of videos, and a lot of YouTubers out there are getting free seats or heavily discounted seats or whatever the case may be from Cypher. I didn't get any of that. I just found some nice seats that I thought were quality, halfway decent, that would look good in the Miata that people have used before. So I picked up these seats. I like how they don't have any names on them. They're just solid black. But they look super nice. And yeah, we're going to try to put the steering wheel on first. And then after that, we'll test fit these seats. Alright, so we're getting ready to remove the old steering wheel.
Got it.
Boom. Got it. Thank you. Alright, now, put this somewhere. That's for sale, by the way. I don't know if anybody wants it, but... okay, so the next thing we need is going to be the hub. This is tightening up the last of the bolts for the hub and part of the quick release, just to make sure it all lines up. I think we got it lined up correctly.
Boom.
Boom! There it is. It looks way nicer, and there's definitely more knee room.
Definitely.
For sure.
Then again, I'm 5'5", so it's not really a problem.
All right, so I guess that'll be it for tonight. So we got our wheel in. We're gonna try to fab up the stock seat brackets to the new seats, and then cage should be on its way, coil should be on the way, and then we're taking this thing out. Ripping it. Alright, so I'm working on the seats now, and a lot of people on the forums and the Facebook group said you could just modify the stock brackets, and it looks to be pretty simple. So the brackets and sliders are actually one piece. I know other aftermarket seats I've done before, usually I bolt the sliders to the seats, and then the brackets and the sliders as one, and then to the car, but this is all one unit, so it makes it a lot easier. So it looks like they're just going to unbolt here. So we got the sliders off. And those bolts are going to line up and bolt up to the new seat. and then we should bolt it back to the car, and that should be it. So let's drill some holes and get these new seats in. All right, so unfortunately I was not able to modify the stock brackets, so I will have to order some brackets, but I went ahead and just set them in there, and they look really awesome. Both seats look really nice with the wheel. So it's coming together. We'll order some brackets, and we'll get the seats bolted in. All right, so here we are, first mod. Kind of just jerry-rigging a little intake that Zach brought over. Show it to him, Kenneth. Got the math right here. It fit on there perfect. Yeah, it actually fit really nice. Perfect. So we're probably going to pick up 50 to 100 horsepower. Basically, it's just going to blow the tires away. We're hoping we go to the track tonight, run 9s. Yeah, we don't need that whole cruise control unit. We're gonna try to get rid of the cruise control unit too. But yeah, definitely not needed. More weight reduction. Got what do we take out? The wiper motor, cruise control unit, washer fluid bottle, and yeah, stock air box. Let's throw this intake on. And Kenneth's gonna give it a little start. It was fairly easy actually because the MAPS airflow sensor was just yeah, it just actually fit right in. So, and that's the bigger of the two filters that we got, so it should suck in all the airs.
All the airs.
All of the airs. Pray it starts.
If I get the key in. There we go.
Nice. You hear it sucking already? Oh yeah, a little bit, okay. Alright, well, let's go drive it. Kenneth and Zach go drive it. Zach, remember, it's old. Okay? The e-brake does not work. And hang on, Kenneth. I think I hear him coming back. How was it?
It was sketchy at first.
Alright, so the intake's on, and we're gonna go out on 60 and do the first drive. Well, actually, Zach gotta do the first drive.
Ooh, lots of traffic.
All the traffics.
You can hear it a little bit.
Yeah, you can.
Maybe if we got a different hard pipe.
Where can we go to a burnout?
Or, you know what, go back there.
Feel the horsepower already, which is the intake. So, should we just dump it and see what happens?
Just dump it.
Okay.
Hopefully I got that.
Should we do a little dump again and just light them up?
Let's see if you can do it.
See if I can light them up?
Yeah, let's see if you can do it.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And here's some bonus footage of the Supra you may not have seen before. If you guys don't know, this is Mrs. Sick2JZ. And we're off. Yep, perfect. How you feeling right now?
Fine. I don't know when to shift. Where's the shift at?
You can shift right now. And then fourth, it's going to be straight back. Don't do anything yet.
Don't do anything?
Go ahead and floor it. We're going to rim. Alright, fourth. Okay. Alright, so go ahead and tell us your initial reaction when you hit it and got it to boost.
It slammed me back a little bit. It was good. I need to be on iBoost 3.
Alright, so we're going to see what we can do about that. Alright, this is still iBoost 1, but we got some open stretch. Go ahead and hit it. Alright, shift. Go, hit it. Alright, good. Shit.